Do you want to grow your business but don't know how? Successful businesses need efficient and reliable services, but finding the right service providers and involving them in your projects can be a challenge. This is where Synthanalytix Services comes in. Hi, my name is Hitesh Ranga and I am the founder of Synthanalytix. Discover our AI-driven services designed to take your business to the next level. Our services include data analytics services to understand your business data and gain valuable insights, Power BI solutions to visualize and analyze your data effectively in the form of dashboards and reports, web design and development services to create a modern and user-friendly website, UX UI design services to enhance user experience of your product, AI solutions, customized artificial solutions for your business, corporate training, specialized training in data analysis, Power BI, and web design and development field. We have a team of experienced and professional people who complete your projects on time and with quality. For more information, check out our website synthanalytix.in, or you can contact us at services@synthanalytix.in. Try our services today and take your business to the new heights, because we are your partners in business success.